Welcome to my channel Learn Mathematics with B.R. Panda. In this video, we are going to prove the famous Pythagoras theorem. Look at the statement of this Pythagoras theorem. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. So let us consider a right triangle. Suppose ABC be any right triangle, right angle at B. ABC be any right triangle, right angle at B. So let us write the given. A right triangle, a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. So a right triangle is given. What we have to prove? We have to prove that the square of the hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse means the side opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse. So right angle is B and opposite to it is AC. So this AC is the hypotenuse, and the square of the hypotenuse means AC square. AC square is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So the other two sides are AB and BC. So sum of the squares of these two sides AB and BC, that means AB square plus BC square. This we have to prove. So to prove this, let us construct a perpendicular from B on AC intersecting AC at suppose D. Draw AD perpendicular to AC. AD perpendicular to AC. Okay, so now consider the proof of this theorem. Now you consider these two triangle ADB. ADB is also a right triangle, and the given triangle ABC. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, you can see angle A is common to both ADB and ABC. You can see this angle A is common to both. Angle A is equal to angle A common to both. Common angle. Again, angle angle ADB is equal to angle ABC. Each equals to 90 degree. Each 90 degree. Thus, by AA similarity criterion, we can write it as triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. By AA similarity criterion. By AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. And since these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So the corresponding sides of AD is AB. So we can write it as, which implies that AD divided by AB is equal to AD by AB is equal to AB by AC. AB divided by AC. यहाँ पे एक चीज़ आप लोगों को ध्यान रखना है कि ये AB दोनों तरफ से आना चाहिए. देखो AD by AB, मैंने यहाँ का AB लिया, इधर लिया, इधर का AB. ओके, AB दोनों तरफ आना चाहिए. So which implies that by cross multiplication we can write it as AB square is equal to AD into AC. AD into AC. Let us consider this as equation 1. Okay. So in a similar way, similarly, the triangle BDC is similar to BDC is similar to ABC, triangle ABC. This can be proved by AA similarity criterion. In this C, angle C is common to both, and this angle BDC is equal to angle ABC, which equals to 90 degree. So, since these two triangles are similar, again their corresponding sides are proportional. So here we will consider BC on both sides. So BC divided by first and third AC is equal to DC divided by BC. DC divided by BC, and which is implies that by cross multiplication we can write it as BC square is equal to AC into DC. It consider it as equation 2. Let us add equation 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, we have, let us add left hand side of both the equation, AB square plus BC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC, AD into AC plus AD into AC plus AC into DC, AC into DC, or we can write this statement as AB square plus BC square is equal to, here you can see this AC is common to both. So we can take AC common, AC common. So if we take AC common, then it the remaining part is AD plus DC, AD plus DC, and which is equal to AC multiplied by. Now you observe this AD plus DC. This is AD and DC. If we find AD plus DC, we will get AC. So AC into AC, and which is equal to AC square. Now we have proved that AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, or in other word, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So proved. Thank you.